Come on, everybody. We'll get started here in a minute. All right, come on, everybody. We'll get rolling here. Um, we'll go over gold and the ES this morning. Gold has come down to um, this 1267 level that I pointed out last week. A little bit lower, 1266, and we're getting a little bit of a rejection on it. On the downside, we still have this gap on this feed that you might want to be cautious of for further downside at 1256, 1255 level. I think where we're at right now probably isn't a horrible place to look for a little bit of a bounce. Um, and it may not be a big bounce, but we have equal highs here above these levels that I would be targeting on a shorter time frame here. This is 4-hour chart. We had a nice 4-hour candle rejection and we're coming back down into it. So actually right now is the time I would like to see some sort of move up. Um, I'm not ready yet to do it. I think it's still looking pretty strong on the bearish side. So we may still get some down movement, but we're in an area that I would anticipate some sort of a decent bounce. So that's what I'll be looking for today. I'm not looking more for shorts on gold, even though I do have a target down here of 1262, 1263 that I think price could come down to. I'm more interested in some of these upside targets, specifically above these highs here from looks like Monday. Yeah, Wednesday, Monday, and then last Thursday. Kind of made equal highs here. So those would be my targets that I'm aiming for. I just need to see a little bit more interest in the buyers to come in here and start working this on the upside. But I'd be targeting the 1280 level, and yeah, I mean, could come up to 1285. Long term, I'm still bullish on gold. Again, we have all these equal highs up here that I would be looking for um, to go to on long term. But I'm just looking for shorter day trades or possibly a little bit of a intraday or intra-week swing trade on gold. So just kind of recap, I go down to like a 15-minute chart, and I want to start seeing movement on the upside here because right now we're still breaking down a little bit. We got liquidity down here, may start reaching. Um, so I'm on hold on that, but I'm looking for buys. I just want to see some sort of interest on the buyers to come in and start moving that, and then I'll get in on that. And then the ES, we've had a nice move up, and it looks like it's targeting that 2941 level or whatever the highs of they're all-time highs, right? That we put in, and we've been marking this out for a while now. This equal high, and I think we're gonna break through that. And what you want to be careful of on this and be interested. So you break through these highs, you're gonna have all kinds of breakout traders jumping in this. They may sweep them and then work its way down, and then it probably come down pretty aggressively for a little while, but I hopefully we get a run through it and a continuation. That would make it easier. So you want to watch these highs. If we get above them, break through, maybe come back down and test, look for some support, and then we'll start looking for highs again. Coming into summer, though, we may get a sell off into summer, and then we'll look for the fall continuation. So kind of interesting right now. I would expect some sort of possible rejection here, just because it's such a notable swing point on everyone's chart. So, but I think they're going to try popping through that at least today. So you look for that on a day trade today. We're just kind of making a consolidation here. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. And that's really it, guys. I think we're going to pop through there. Just looking for trades that get long on ES. And I'm looking for trades get long on gold. ES is definitely stronger, obviously, but the gold trade, I think I'm looking for a little bit longer stay on this. Maybe by the end of the week we could get up here. And that's I think all I got. I'm looking at right now. A little bit of divergence, so keep an eye on that. Made higher highs on the Nasdaq and did not make them on the ES. So you want to be careful of that. That's a sign of possible bearishness. But I would be looking for it more on these swing lows for something like that to happen than on those highs right now. Let's see what Nasdaq's doing. Oh, Nasdaq already broke through. Yeah. See, now this is kind of what I'm looking for ES to do today. Is to follow through and have a nice uprange day possibly here. And Nasdaq might be kind of telling, see if it gets continuation or if it rejects up here. That could be a sign for a longer term pullback. So be mindful of that. And let's see, all this stuff. Got all these pivots on here. Oil. Possibly to 68.48. Oh, oil's interesting. Got equal lows down here. So it'll be interesting to see what happens up in this area. But I think we get a little bit more upside before we get a pullback on this if we do. Oil's been a really nice uptrend, so it's a good market to trade right now on the upside. All right, guys, that's all I have. I hope you have a good weekend. Yeah, watch gold in this area. I am looking for support here. Here's a daily pivot, possibly get above that daily pivot and find support and start moving up into these levels. You have a lot of range here to work with, so about 1,000 pips or so. So, all right, guys, you have a good week, and I'll talk to you Friday. Thanks.